Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video tutorial, you're gonna learn how to fix key error in Pandas. If you are encountering a key error in Pandas, it typically means that the key you are trying to access is not present in the data frame or space. Here are some common reasons for this error and how to address them. First of all, I have just created a sample data frame having two columns A and B and uh, four rows. And this data frame also has uh, not a number or non-value. So the first issue is incorrect column or index label, and you might be using a wrong column or index label. For example, if you try to access column C, the column C is not present in the data frame. So it encounters the key error, and the solution is that double check the column or index labels you are using in your code and verify the correctness of the labels in your data frame. So instead of using C, you make sure to change to the correct column name, for example, A or B. So this is one issue. The second is case sensitivity. Python is case sensitive, so the column name A and different. So they are considered to be different labels, and because the column name small a is different from capital A, because Python is case sensitive. So you ensure that you are using the correct case for column or index labels. For example, if you incorrectly try to access small a instead of capital A, so it encounters a key error. So you ensure that you use the correct name while accessing the column in your data frame. All right, the third is data frame versus series. If you are trying to access a single column, you make sure that you are not treating it as a data frame. For example, if you access the single column A from your data frame, this returns a Pandas series instead of a data frame. But if you wanna return the result as a data frame, you make sure that using the table square bracket. So the two are different. Either the result is data frame or series. So the result is different from the series. This is returning as a data frame, but if you are using single square bracket, that returns a data series or a Pandas data series. So if you are accessing a single column, use a single square bracket that returns a series instead of using a double square bracket that returns a data frame. This is another issues that you make sure while accessing your data frame. All right, and fourth one is indexing issues. This is common issues, especially while you are filtering data from your data frame. Especially if you are using log or ilog. So ensure that the specified index or label exists or row index. For example, if you are accessing using log, the data frame dot log, and you specify the row number or the row index instead of the column name. For example, if you are wrongly accessing so this encounters an error, value error, especially 4 is not in the range because you are accessing out of the range in the rows. And you make sure that you correctly specify the row index while accessing that. For example, if I change it to 3, it returns the last row. The last row is the A is 9 and the B is none, not a number. So that is the case. So you make sure that so the solution is verify that the specified index or label is present in your data frame. And the last one is non-values. The issue is that if there are not a number of values in your data frame, they may cause issues. So the solution is check for missing values using if is null dot sum function. That's the data frame contains a non-value, so the A columns has no non-values and the B column has one non-values. So you make sure to drop this non-values to avoid the errors occur during accessing the data frame column. So the data frame here goes drop NA. Now the data frame non-values dropped out and there is no non-values in your data frame, or you make sure that your data frame has no non-values and you can avoid or handle them appropriately. So by carefully reviewing your code and considering these common issues, you should be able to identify and fix the key error in your Pandas code. I hope you enjoyed in this video tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Write comments below. Thanks for watching.